What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick review of Uniarch A30 conference webcam. So we will talk about its design, performance, features while performing a quick unboxing as well. But before we start, if you are new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. The Uniarch Unear A30 is currently live on Indiegogo and the campaign link is shared in the description of this video. And now let's start with the unboxing. Inside the retail box of Uniarch A30, you will find the Uniarch A30 web conferencing camera, a quick start guide and a USB Type-A to USB Type-C cable. Now let's talk about the design and build quality. Uniarch Unear A30 comes with a cylindrical design that is comparatively thin at the top with respect to the bottom. Because of that, its placement is quite stable and it doesn't fall or move from its position when the web conferencing is going on. The rubber strip provided at the bottom also contribute in providing a stable position for the camera. Also at the bottom, we got the USB Type-C port with a pass-through slot. The majority of the upper part is fingerprint resistant matte finish and it looks beautiful and premium. At the other part, there is 360-degree speaker provided beneath the mesh fabric. At the top, we got 4 microphones to capture 360-degree audio and we also got 4 touch-sensitive buttons. There is a circular LED indicator provided that shows different color for different activities to let you know exactly what is happening with your camera. And then on the front side, we got our 115-degree wide-angle camera. Another very interesting thing about the Uniarch A30 is that even though it is pretty huge in size, it is still very lightweight. So you can easily carry the Uniarch A30 anywhere for the web conferencing purposes. So overall, in terms of design and build quality, the Uniarch A30 is premium and beautiful looking device as it comes with minimalistic design and nice build quality. Now talking about the features, to use the Uniarch A30, all you have to do is connect the USB cable with your computer and connect the other end with the Uniarch A30. After that, you can launch any of the compatible video conferencing software like Zoom, Skype, Meet, Microsoft Teams, etc. and just select Uniarch A30 as your preferred webcam. The 115-degree camera of Uniarch A30 is very nice for the video conferencing purposes. Just to give you an idea that how wide is the field of view, here is the image being broadcast with the camera of my laptop and then here it is with the Uniarch A30. So for the video conferencing where lots of people are involved, Uniarch A30 is a very nice webcam that you can use to include everyone in the meeting visually and in terms of audio as well, as it comes with 4 directional microphones so every person sitting in the room can speak and the Uniarch A30 will clearly capture their sound. It supports up to 5-meter voice pickup and here is a quick demo of its voice recording capability compared to the default microphone of the laptop from a distance of 2 meters. This is an audio recorded by the default microphone of the laptop. This is an audio recorded by the Uniarch A30. The speaker provided in Uniarch A30 is also quite nice in terms of audio output and loudness as well. It produces good quality audio that you can use in a small meeting room and everybody will be able to listen it clearly. And once the meeting is over, you can also use the Uniarch A30's speaker as your desktop speaker for listening music, watching movies, etc. The camera quality is also very nice. It captures good amount of detail and the low light imaging capability of Uniarch A30 is pretty nice as well, as it comes with automatic exposure and white balance adjustment and provide a very nice overall video quality for the web conferencing purposes. The touch sensitive buttons provided at the top are very useful as well. Using them, you can instantly mute the microphone, turn on or off the camera, and you can also increase or decrease the volume of the speaker. For every different action, a special color is assigned to let you know that what exactly is happening with your camera and whether the microphone is off or the camera is off to avoid messing up your online meetings and web conferencings. Overall, Uniarch Unear A30 is a very nice web conferencing camera in every aspect. The design and build quality is nice, it looks beautiful and premium, the camera quality is very nice and the wide angle field of view is perfect for web conferencing purposes. The speaker quality is good enough for web conferencing as well as for the entertainment purposes. The microphone's range is pretty solid, and the Uniarch A30 comes with easy to use touch sensitive functional keys. So if you're planning to buy a webcam for the online meetings and web conferencing purposes, then Uniarch A30 is a very nice option for you. So that's all for now, friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.